You could ask your reps to memorize a process and procedure this complex, but that might require weeks of shadowing, phone coaching, and several mistakes before they master it. Here's what that flowchart looks like as a call flow. And here's an example of how it could be used by your reps to handle a technical call. Thanks for calling. How can I help you?
Hi, I need to set up single sign-on.
All right, no problem. Which service will you be setting up single sign-on with?
I'll be using Salesforce.
Great. And do you use My Domain with Salesforce?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, and do you have a self-signed certificate?
No, I don't think we do.
All right, no problem. I'll walk you through the steps of setting up a self-signed certificate. All right, so first you're going to go to Administration Setup in your security controls.
Okay, yep, I'm there.
Yeah, and then you're going to click on Certificate and Key Management. And there you're just going to create a new certificate. Now, that was a technical example, but you could use this for any type of call. And when you do, you're going to notice a few improvements in your operations. First, it won't take as long for your reps to learn how to handle complex situations. You'll also notice that your reps make fewer mistakes and that everyone handles calls more consistently and more efficiently. You'll notice that you can more easily move idle agents from one group to another group that's having a volume spike. And you'll notice that your reps can handle calls with more confidence. Now, you may not need call flows for every type of call that comes into your call center. This is just one tool in the ScreenSteps toolbox that you can pull out for those calls that aren't straightforward, that take a long time for reps to master, and where agents are making a lot of mistakes. To see what your complex procedures would look like as a call flow, reach out to a ScreenSteps specialist. They'll turn what you have into an interactive call flow so you and your team can check it out. Or you can sign up for a trial and we'll teach you how to create your own call flows and show them to your team.